Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two amazing products that will revolutionize your kitchen. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any future updates. We'll be looking at the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer and the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo, so let's dive into the comparison. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer offers 6-in-1 functionality with the ability to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, while the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo has more than 12 functions that can roast, bake, broil, toast, and fry. So when it comes to functionality, the Cosori has a clear edge over the Instant Vortex. The Cosori has a larger capacity of 26 quarts, 25 liters, and can fit up to a 5 pounds whole chicken. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, on the other hand, can hold 4 to 6 servings and is perfect for preparing side dishes and appetizers. So, if you need a larger capacity, the Cosori is the one for you. The Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo can be controlled using the VSync app on your smartphone or by using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, on the other hand, has customizable programs for one-touch cooking of various items. So depending on whether you want hands-free control or one-touch customization, you can decide which one suits you better. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is priced at USD $129, and the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo is priced at USD $159, making the Instant Vortex more budget-friendly. If price is a major deciding factor for you, then you can opt for the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. So that's it for our comparison of the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer and the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo. We hope that this video has been informative and helpful in making your decision-making process easier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in the future.